Hello good people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reverting back to my curls, but first we are going to start by doing like a hot oil pre-shampoo treatment using Adwoa Beauty's Protect and Shine Oil Blend. Now you may be wondering why I decided to use this oil instead of one of the other ones I have in my stash, and it's simply because this oil is formulated with 15 different oils including wintergreen, peppermint, and tea tree, which is really great for scalp stimulation to increase hair growth and hopefully soothe my dry, itchy, flaky scalp. Now prior to this, I did go to the salon. I got my hair silk pressed, I colored it, bleached it, all that good stuff, and I also want to make sure that I'm keeping my roots and scalp hydrated because breakage can really occur at the scalp due to all the stress and all the things that I just did to my hair. I am applying this oil generously. You don't have to be as heavy-handed as I am. I'm also massaging it in with the pads of my fingers, not really using my nails. I also wanted to make sure that I applied this oil to the ends of my hair because I want to focus on length retention and really protecting those. And then when it's all said and done, after the oil is applied, I did sit underneath heat with a plastic bag, and I used my little heated cap that I got from Amazon. It's linked in my Amazon storefront, so check that out. And I sat with this on my head for about an hour and a half. Some people do it overnight, but that's not really for me. And so this is what my hair looks like afterwards. Now I have made my way into the shower and we can get the wash day started for real now. I really like to take my time, allow the water to really soak my hair, really work the water into my hair, and start to see my curls revert just slightly a little bit before I even apply shampoo. So I am going to start today's wash day with using the 4C shampoo from Olaplex. I don't know if my stylist used anything with like silicones or sulfates or any of that stuff in it. So I like to use a clarifying shampoo because I want to get all of that off of my hair. I think some people are very nervous when it comes to using clarifying shampoos, but I am one to tell you, do not be afraid. Even though my hair is freshly colored, it did not like pull the color out of my hair, but that's also because I have a really great wash day routine. We'll talk more about that in another video. But yeah, using clarifying shampoo isn't necessarily going to strip your hair, but it just gets your hair really clean. And as you can see, I am literally like checking my hands. I'm checking the soap to see if it has like a pinkish hue to it, but you don't see anything. It's white, it's clear. It is not stripping the color out of my hair, therefore it is safe to clarify your colored hair. Just like any other wash day, I really take my time when it comes to shampooing. I really like to focus on my scalp. I want to make sure I'm getting all of that oil off of my scalp. I want to get any flake, any debris, all of that good stuff off of my hair. I want it to not be stuck in my strands, so I really take a good long time to make sure the shampoo is fully rinsed out, make sure the water is running completely clear, even if I am going to shampoo my hair again. Next, I'm gonna reach from my Adwoa Beauty Bio Mint moisturizing shampoo. Yes, I shampoo twice. Yes, I like to follow up my clarifying shampoos with moisturizing shampoos because I like for my hair to feel good. And as an added bonus, this also, because it is the Bio Mint line, has that wintergreen peppermint tea tree situation in it, and it gives me a slight little tingle. I am here for all the tingles I can get. What I did not appreciate was that my hair was starting to tangle. I don't know why. That was really weird for me. I didn't have any other issues with that, but it definitely caused confusion. It could be because I used the clarifying shampoo, but once I got past that tangle, we were all good. No issues there other than my nails kept snagging my hair. But yes, you can always follow up your clarifying shampoo with the moisturizing if you just need that added boost of moisture. I mean, listen to your hair. Like, do what you think is going to be best for your hair. Once again, I took my time to rinse it out. I'm kind of evaluating my hair. Yep, that's where my hair had broken off prior to me coloring it. But yes, I feel like my curls are coming back very nicely, and we haven't even gotten to the conditioning part of this wash day. And to keep piling on the moisture in my hair, I am going in with the intensive conditioner from Pattern Beauty in order to deep condition my hair. I am not stingy when it comes to any sort of conditioner. I like to use this on soaking wet hair, and I applied it, I guess, backwards from normal. I wanted to apply this from root to tip because, like I said before, we bleached my roots. Really want to make sure that I am taking care of my hair at the root. So I need to make sure my entire hair strand is properly conditioned, not just the ends. And as you can see, I am working my way down the hair strand. I am putting my head back underneath the water to make sure that I have enough water in my hair as I apply the conditioner. So I'm really going to squeeze it into my strands. Want to make sure that it is really penetrating my hair. I'm not going to use any heat. I just feel like I've already done the hot oil treatment. I don't want to add any more heat to my hair. So I'm really just going to clip my hair up, make sure it is really saturated, and then I sat outside of my shower just with it covered with the plastic cap yet again for a good 10 to 15 minutes. And by the time I got back in the shower to rinse this conditioner out, it looked like it had melted into my strands, and I absolutely love that for me and my hair. So looking at it, it probably looks like my hair didn't fully revert, but I think my hair is just so heavy with water and hydration that my hair is very elongated. I will say that I have my typical spots where my hair tends to be a little looser nowadays, which is like closer to my ears, around my edges, but I feel like that's nothing a little bonding treatment and a little steam can't help, and I feel like my curls will be back 100% in no time. And to everyone that made it this far in the video, first and foremost, thank you so much. Secondly, I want to make sure you are subscribed. I often do month-long hair videos, and if you are wondering if my hair truly reverted, this is what it looked like 2 days later, because I only put leave-in moisturizer in my hair, or leave-in conditioner, and yeah, this is what Fred looks like. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.